Today we're making Ragi coconut ladoos, a simple and delicious ladoo recipe. Ragi is a superfood packed with calcium, iron, and fiber, excellent for bone strength, energy, and overall health. While it's especially beneficial for growing kids and women with higher calcium needs, really anyone can enjoy these nutritious ladoos. Let's start cooking. We start by heating a spoon of ghee and adding 1 cup of Ragi flour. Roast it slowly on low flame. This step is key. You'll know it's ready when the color changes and a nutty aroma rises. Notice the difference between the raw Ragi flour in the packet and the roasted one. That's how you know it's perfectly done. Next, add half a cup of grated coconut and 1/3 cup of jaggery. Mix gently on low heat until the jaggery melts and everything blends beautifully. While the mixture is still warm, roll it into small ladoos. If you find they aren't binding properly, don't worry. Just add a teaspoon of warm ghee or a little more melted jaggery and they'll come together nicely. Greasing your palms with ghee also makes shaping easier. And there you have it. Soft, nutritious Ragi coconut ladoos. Store them in an airtight container and enjoy one every day as a calcium powerhouse. For more easy, healthy recipes, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Rashee, and I'll see you soon in a new video.